Graduate by Carol Burnett. Graduation, whether it's from prep or PYP or high school or a college commencement, is not only a time to reflect on the past while planning ahead for the future. It's time to celebrate accomplishments and find inspiration for life beyond the big day.
Good morning to all the one present here. It gives me the immense joy to welcome you all for the PYP graduation ceremony, 15 to 16. I am Raj
And I am Agrita.
and we will be taking you through this ceremony today. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. Vaidya Ma'am. We are indeed delighted to have you with us today.
Principal Primary Rama Ma'am and the dignitaries present today. A warm and a fond welcome to you all. Let us begin by invoking the presence of the Almighty by lighting the lamp. I request Krishna Ma'am to lead our esteemed guest to do the honors. I request parents of PYP head girl Mr. and Mrs. Ade and parents of PYP head boy Mrs. Patil to come forward too.
Thank you. As the Gurukul tradition follows, let us rise for the World Peace Prayer.
जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवातुति गणेषु सकलार्थमपि प्रदातु महेरुत्तिदातु अवधारि योगी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा दुःखः कश्चिद्धनम् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात् सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। जो शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षशान्तिः पृथिवीशान्तिः आपश्शान्तिः औषधयशान्तिः वनस्पतयशान्तिः विश्वदेवाशान्तिः ब्रह्मशान्तिः सर्वशान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of education. Martin Luther King Jr. Respected ma'am, the chief guest of today's event, Mrs. Supriya Vaidya, dear parents and my dear children, good morning to one and all present here. I, Prasunna Vemuri, PYP coordinator, welcome you all to this special day, the graduation day. Today is really special for two reasons. First, the celebration of event, that is a graduating event of our senior most students of early years and the primary years. They are stepping up to move forward. The other reason is that today we have come to the last day of the academic year 2015-16. We could successfully complete the year with a lot of progressive achievements. We could see our children growing physically taller, intellectually sharper, emotionally stronger, and blooming with more and better skills. The communication, computation, decision making, application and thinking skills have been all groomed well to make them consider better options, take appropriate decisions and reflect on their actions. The regular value education sessions and the life skills sessions have further helped them to take right steps. Dear parents, here I would like to get to your notice that this is a journey and the process needs to be carefully designed to achieve good result and mold the product the best. All the celebrations, the cultural and extracurricular activities have helped them to look through the opportunities and to gauge their strengths and challenges. Thank you children for being so good and being very cooperative. Dear parents, it was all possible because of your support and encouragement. 2 weeks ago, our dear grade 5 students have completed successfully their presentations and reflections based on their research findings as a culminating event, the PYP exhibition. Some of you who were present could witness it, but few of you have missed it out. Here we go with a video. It's a glimpse of the whole presentation. me a huge round of applause for the efforts of the students and the mentors. Thank you. I congratulate all the students for their work and wish them good luck. Thank you very much. I would like to end my speech with a small chanting of a shlok. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is taken from Brihadaranyaka Upanishads, meaning, from ignorance lead me to truth, from darkness lead me to light, and from death lead me to immortality. And let the peace prevail. Thank you very much. Over to grade 4 students. Happiness is all about feelings. Our entire life is led by feelings and inspirations. And that is the role of the heart. When we listen to those feelings and capture the inspiration that comes from within, we can master our life by listening to the heart. This exercise of fine-tuning the heart with the mind is done through the meditation on the heart. That is why we call this the process of heartfulness meditation. A heartfelt good morning to all the dignitaries, parents, my colleagues and my dear students. I, Mrs. Ashwini, have the privilege to introduce our guest for the day, who is a mentor and a senior teacher. For the last 30 years, she has dedicated her life to teaching heartfulness meditation to thousands of aspirants. A home science graduate from Nagpur University, Mrs. Supriya Vaidya was born and brought up in Nagpur. She has completed her B.Ed from Mumbai University. Mrs. Supriya Vaidya has worked in St. Mary's School, Pune, St. Stephen's and Sacred Hearts in Chandigarh. Teaching profession gave her a lot of opportunity for creativity in co-curricular and sports activities as well. She has widely travelled due to her husband working in an MNC with a transferable position within India. She moved to Pune in 1993. She is presently one of the founder directors of Noble Agrovet Limited. Going all organic is the nature of the business, dealing with herbal products used in animals and plants' feed. She is also an active participant and one of the trustees of the reputed NGO, Shelter Associates, that deals with urban sanitation. A multifaceted woman, Mrs. Vaidya enjoys nature walks, landscaping, gardening and cooking. She is currently learning sitar under the able guidance of Ustad Usman Khanji. Mrs. Vaidya is a life member with the spiritual organization and NGO, Sahas Marg Spirituality Foundation. This is a non-profit corporation existing in USA, Dubai, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Singapore and Switzerland. SMSF promotes spiritual learning for all based on the principles of tolerance and love among people. SMSF supports the Heartfulness Institute, which offers the heartfulness approach to the Sahas Marg system of meditation, programs in universities and colleges, programs in the corporate world and government institutions, and conscious living programs for children in schools. The foundation is responsible for conducting programs in the fields of spiritual training, education and research. It also provides retreat facilities, meditation centers, scholarships for students around the world, free medical clinics and other civic services. Mrs. Vaidya has also served as the in charge of the Heartfulness Initiative in Pune for 10 years and continues to play a role of a senior teacher and mentor in this organization. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation and giving us your valuable time. I request from our ma'am to lead our guest on the stage for felicitation.
And my friend Joshua will take you forward from here. Today, all our dear friends friends, be it the tots of the Prep 2 or Grade 5, will receive honors as they step up in their further journey through Gurukul. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the passion, and the patience to reach for the stars to change the world by Harriet Tubman. On the same note, let us hear the seniors sing a melodious song, I Have a Dream by ABBA.
That was indeed wonderful. We now have the Prep 1 coming up on the stage to give a warm farewell to the seniors through the song You Are My Sunshine. Let us encourage the tiny tots with a loud applause.
Finishing up early years or primary years, stepping up as an important milestone in their learning journey. We now have the stepping up ceremony for the Prep 2 students. With a big hand, we welcome our chief guest to come up on the stage and bestow the gifts of honor to our youngest graduates. The little graduates will take home a photo frame which bears an acrostic name poem for each of their respective name. This I am sure they will cherish for all through their PYP journey. I request Anjali ma'am and Dimple ma'am.
Welcome ma'am, and thanks for doing the honors. We have two sections in Prep 2, so we'll start with Prep 2 Ravi, and as we have done so, A's will be first and Z's will be last. But that doesn't mean that anyone is less important. And now, over to Anjali ma'am for Prep 2 Ravi.
Come on parents, they deserve a big round of applause. Anuj is also nice, unique and jovial. Azizi is adorable, zestful, innovative, zippy and imaginative. Daksh Rajay is delightful, active, kind, smart, happy, responsible, adorable, jovial and enthusiastic. Devanshi is delightful, energetic, vibrant, adorable, nice, sweet, happy and intelligent. angel, attractive and nice.
इधर इधर
Gojari is graceful, organized, jovial, intelligent, reflective and inquiring. Ishita is intelligent, sensitive, happy, inquisitive, talented and adorable. Parth, principal, able, responsible, talented and happy. Prithviraj, principal, responsible, unique, talented, happy, versatile, intelligent, remarkable, adorable and cheerful.
One second.
Now we begin with Prep to Chandra. The first one on the list, as his name symbolizes, is dear to all and highly energized. He loves to inquire and complete tasks on hand. Please welcome Aziz, who is adorable, enthusiastic to the call. If brother is so cute, can sister be any less? She's an angel with a wonderful outlook. She loves to talk and makes friends in a jiffy. She is sweet, dainty, inquisitive, oh yes, that's our little Azizia. A boy so smart, so logical and sharp. He loves to wonder, explore and answer. He's always ready to ask, adorable and intelligent as Nani Prakash. Energetic and enthusiastic, always on the go. The cute girl with sharp brains and full of fun. Quick-witted Durva is the next to be in. Lively and friendly, bubbling with joy. He brings an inquiry with his innocent vibes. He's ready to listen if you happen to be his friend. Here comes Harshit, the boy with a kind heart and a warm smile. Honest and humorous, imaginative to the core. He's a tiny diamond that radiates sensitivity, charm, and optimistic attitude. Here comes today the heart of a class. Super reader, sensitive with an unassuming understanding of all that he reads. Mayuk is the kind-hearted one, and boy, the knowledge that he can feel. Delighted one, delightful to have one, to receive the next felicitation. Sensible, sensitive, she is too human race. Her ideas are original, pure and practical. Pearl, you can make the world of difference. Honest and humorous to the core. With his wide grin, he can melt you to do a lot more. Quick-witted and delightful too. Philemon, you are so lovingly true. A little ball of expressions and hues. She radiates artistic talents coupled with a die-hard sportsmanship. An artistic swimmer who's ambitious, dynamic and kind-hearted. Our little Samiksha. Diligent in his work and practical in his approach. A little bundle of immense qualities in a heap. He is quick-witted, humorous and resourceful too. Here comes Sharp Sharya.
Look here.
Diligent in her approach and confident to win. You are a mermaid who made many want to swim. Imaginative, sensible and thoughtful too. You will make the world beautiful just like you. Last but not the least, Suhani Kalbor. Hey Samiksha.
Keep it near your heart. Keep it in your heart.
Okay, now keep it next to your heart. Keep it next to your heart. Your souvenir should be next to your heart. Yes. And big smiles.
Smile. Big broad smile.
Cheese. Yes, cheese. Wonderful. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the little souvenirs from Prep 2 as they will be performing. Thank you so much, grade 4. And are we ready? Over to Joshua.
Prep 2, you are warmly welcomed in our world from this moment onwards. Please put your hands together for them as they come on the stage for the last time as EY parents. They would like to present a dance on Pete the Happy Cat.
One day, Pete the cat got his new white shoes. He was very happy. He walked down the road singing this song. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped into a pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just walked on singing this song. I love my red shoes. 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 Uh-oh. Pete stepped into a pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just walked on singing this song. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped into a puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just walked on singing this song. I love my brown shoes. 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 Uh-oh. Pete stepped into a tub of water and all the red and all the blue and all the brown got washed away. But now his shoes are wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just walked on singing this song. I love
My wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. And now, my dear children, all of you will be leaving the earliest block and moving to PYP. Are we going to cry?
Goodness, no!
We will walk on singing this song. Here I come PYP, here I come PYP, louder. Here I come PYP, here I come PYP, here I come PYP, here I come PYP. No matter what happens, always try to be happy, like Pete the Cat, and keep smiling. 1, 2, 3. Now we have line number 1 moving with Amir. Please take the lead. Amir, take the lead.
Thank you, Prep 2. We now have a dance performance by Grade 3 to welcome the Prep 2 students as they move on into our elementary world. A big loud applause for the little performers as they dance on the wonderful song Atrangi Yari.
इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्रें तेरे आगे आगे हारी यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्रें आगे हारी लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे कर बेरंगी शामें हुनरंगी मस्त न लगी
Thank you, Grade 3. You rocked the stage. I request the Prep 1, Prep 2 and Grade 3 to turn back to the PYP block. Let us bid them with a tata
and antiquity.
We have arrived at the time of year when graduating students across the PYP don their caps and gowns and arm themselves with a big grin as they march across the stage to receive the certificates.
While graduation signals a time to plan for the future, whether it's more school or break or entering a new life, commencement is also a time to celebrate accomplishments and reflect.
Now, for the much-awaited graduation ceremony of Grade 5. Grade 5 will take home a pen stand bearing memories of the class around 15-16, a certificate of citations complimenting each one of them, which have been compiled by their homeroom teachers, and of course the graduation certificate. As a parting gift and a memento of inspiration and love, PYP would like to gift the graduates with Ignited Minds, a book written by late APJ Abdul Kalam. The chief guest for the day, Mrs. Vaidya, is invited to the honors. I request the homeroom teachers to take us further through the event.
Full of enthusiasm and raring to go, asking lots of questions she will not forego. Mathematical challenges she accepts with confidence. Badminton and artwork are her other areas of competence. Sincerity and diligence she exhibits in abundance. With these qualities in her pocket, she is sure to soar like a rocket. The principal Devanshi, who is dedicated, effervescent, vivacious, admirable, neat, sensible, happy and intent. Please give a big round of applause for Devanshi. Is fantastic. Confidence in all her activities she displays. Her interest in all the disciplines has earned her a lot of praise. Improvement in every field she has shown. Continued focus on her language skills, and soon she would have crossed the milestone. Presenting the caring Jinal, who is judicious, imaginative, nice, adaptable and lively. Please put your hands together for Jinal Gandhi.
Please look here.
To be the first to crack a mathematical challenge is his passion. Creativity in designing models and solving puzzles gives him satisfaction. Fun-loving and happy-go-lucky are words that describe him well. A little more hard work and focus is where his thoughts must now dwell. Playing any kind of sports lights up his face. Balancing his time well will surely help him serve an ace. Presenting the Prithvi House captain, the open-minded Mayank, who is mischievous, athletic, youthful, amenable, natural and kind-hearted. Please welcome Mayank Bagdar. Reading a variety of books is his greatest pleasure. Playing golf and tennis are activities he indulges in during leisure. Well-mannered and soft-spoken, a gentleman in the making. His contributions to discussions can be truly amazing. More commitment and focus and the stage will be set for him to put his best foot forward in whatever he undertakes. Presenting the knowledgeable Pranab, who is polite, reflective, adaptable, noble, active and balanced. Please put your hands together for Pranab Thomas. Calm, composed and a friend to everyone he knows, Responsibility and sincerity are characteristics he always shows. Artwork can keep him engrossed for hours. In academics and sports, he strives to rise his bar. Once he sets his mind on something, he does not rest till the goal is reached. With this attitude for him, only the sky is the limit. Presenting the PYP head boy, the thinker Vishwajit, who is vigilant, intent, sensible, honest, well-balanced, agile, joyful, enthusiastic, easygoing and tolerant. Please welcome Vishwajit Patil. Expertise in mathematical calculations she exhibits. Creativity in art she never inhibits. In discussions, her wonderings are numerous. Every situation she tries to make humorous. A little more focus and her skills will multiply. Nothing can then stop her from soaring in the sky. Presenting the reflective Ananya, who is athletic, natural, appreciative, nice, yielding and adaptable. Please give a big round of applause for Ananya Avdekar. Always considerate. Any kind of disharmony she just cannot tolerate. Willing to take on any task with a smile. To do her best, she is ready to walk a mile. Always forthcoming with her doubts, she has progressed with leaps and bounds. Presenting the caring Himangi, who is helpful, earnest, methodical, adaptable, noble, generous and innocent. Let's welcome Himangi Patel. Reflective, that's how you'll find him in class. But come to the sports field and he's a completely different lad. Mathematical calculations bring a sparkle to his eyes. Improving his reading habits will only make his confidence rise. Presenting the reflective Monish, who is mild, obedient, neat, involved, supportive and helpful. Please put your hands together for Monish as a speaker. Work neatly is always his goal. Where academics are concerned, he always puts in his heart and soul. His performance in art has also been commendable. Give him any task and his attitude is dependable. With his focus and commitment, he can never go wrong. With some more patience and tolerance with everyone, he's sure to get along. Presenting the thinker Mihir, who is motivated, interesting, honest, impressive and responsible. Please welcome Mihir Pal. Spontaneous and always charged, she is a live wire in the class. Being static in one place is not really a cup of tea, but give her a task and the first to complete she will be. Keeping up the commitment and enthusiasm, all obstacles she will easily surpass. Presenting the open-minded Sanskruti, who is smart, attentive, nice, sensible, keen, radiant, upbeat, tireless and intent. Let's put our hands together for Sanskruti Sadhai. Respectful, polite and always cooperative. Of suggestions and advice, he is always appreciative. Give him responsibility and his best he will put in. Where his language skills are concerned, in earnest he must now begin. Presenting the caring Prem, who is polite, reflective, energetic and mild. Please welcome Prem Purohit. Are her birthright. With her doubts, she is always forthright. Taking initiative and being confident come to her easily. Working on her calculations will enhance her mathematical skills considerably. Presenting the inquirer Kion, who is knowledgeable, exuberant, eloquent, youthful, observant and neat. Let's give a round of applause for Kion Ankaraji.
Please look here. Thank you.
Imaginative, creative and artistic in all her creations. To every given task, she gives her complete participation. Cheerful and always enthusiastic in athletics and games, she is fantastic. Inequality and injustice make her wonder. How to keep climbing higher is what she must now ponder. Presenting the thinker Najma, who is noble, adept, joyous, mature and adjusting. Please welcome Najma Chakkiwala.
Thank you, ma'am. Giving appropriate vocabulary is what she's good at. While learning English, she wears her thinking hat. She is good at comprehension and enjoys books that have fiction. Cheerful, enthusiastic and a good worker, but needs to be careful of every silly error. Active participation in discussion and ready to work after self-reflection. Overall hard work and commitment, if she increases considerably, success will come to her easily. Presenting the communicator Apurva, who is amazing, perceptive, outstanding, optimistic, responsible, virtuous and adventurous. Please put your hands together for Apurva Jain.
Please look here.
Person whose traits are in dozen. Attitude of sincerity and commitment is what she shows. It is amazing to know and watch as she grows. As a leader, she solves problems in a matured way and takes decisions where everyone has a say. Caring, kind and curious she is. Presentations and speeches she gives with ease. She is a beautiful singer and a reflective thinker. A person with good inter and intrapersonal skills. Joy in everyone's life is what she fills. Presenting the PYP head girl, Balanced Keuri, who is knowledgeable, enthusiastic, youthful, unique, responsible and impressive. Please welcome Keuri Ade. Analytical in his thinking, best at expression through art, that's what makes him stand apart. A cheetah in mathematics and calculations, spontaneous in giving quick solutions. Reading is his passion and makes wonderful reflection. Much like his name, he is a bright sun who makes sure the work is always done. Presenting the knowledgeable Suraj, who is smiling, understanding, radiant, attentive and jovial. Please put your hands together for Suraj Nimbore. Asking questions with curiosity is her favorite pastime. Swimming and playing is indeed a fun time. Cheerful and always enthusiastic in dramatics, and in singing she is fantastic. Mathematics is what she truly enjoys. Learning to spell correctly is what she tries. Reading is something that she loves to do. So whenever she's free, she'll pick a book or two. She works silently and indeed she's friendly. Presenting the Jal House captain, caring Arya, who's active, adjusting, ready, imaginative and appreciable. Please welcome Arya Fugro. Person with true sportsman spirit, where sky is never the limit. Numbers bring sparkle to her eyes. Swimming is where she takes deep dives. A helpful and a friendly child she is. Striving for perfection is what she needs. Self-motivation and hard work is what drives her. Surely she is an evolving learner. Confidence in academics is what she must bring, unfolding the potentials that are hidden within. Presenting the Agni House captain, reflective Prerna, who's participative, responsible, enthusiastic, radiant, nice and adaptive. Please put your hands together for Prerna Brigade. With computers and technology, he is fantastic. A true mathematician who is mostly right with his computation. A champion at badminton and football who always tries to break the target wall. He finishes his task within the given time limit. Hard work and focus will help him reach the summit. Sharpness and accuracy is what he possesses, and striving towards best will give him success. Presenting the Akash House prefect, courageous Harshvardhan, who's helpful, attentive, reasonable, smart, happy, watchful, assured, radiant, daring, honest, ambitious and neat. Please welcome Harshvardhan Desai. Friendly and a responsible worker. Indeed, he is an evolving learner. A cheerful and enthusiastic person who enjoys participating in discussion. Playing guitar is what he loves. Cricket and football run in his nerves. Playing with numbers is fun. Learning English must be his obsession. Self-motivated efforts to do his best. Working hard in academics should be his quest. Presenting the reflective Viraj, who's vibrant, imaginative, reasonable, affectionate and jovial. Please put your hands together for Viraj Bahira. Courageous and curious. Any matter you take up, she is always spontaneous to discuss. A treasure of words she puts in her writing, with wonderful thoughts that are ever gliding. Quick at grasping and excellent in her neat handwriting. An energetic and enthusiastic worker, her reflections make people wonder. Hard work and focus are her traits, and this will surely help her pass through the success gates. Presenting the Chitra House prefect, Inquirer Sabha, who is smart, affectionate, busy and adaptable. Please put your hands together for Sabha Gange. Happy-go-lucky and easy-going. Humor and fun for him is always ongoing. In Gurukul, he has walked many, always agile. Making new craft items is his passion. An affectionate boy with lot of emotion. Playing cricket and football is what he likes. A goal in English is what he must strike. Hard work and responsibility is what he must strive for. Climbing heights will become easy for sure. Presenting thinker Shlok, who is spontaneous, humorous, lovable, omniscient and kind. Please put your hands together for Shlok Kekara. Her mind is sharp as a knife. High on thinking and strong on reasoning, any piece of work she does is truly amazing. A confident and determined personality who never forgets her responsibility. She picks up languages with ease and expresses herself as fast as a breeze. An attentive listener and quick learner, be it art or music, she does a wonder. Presenting the thinker Akshita, who's attentive, keen, smart, helpful, adorable, talented and ambitious. Please welcome Akshita Kapoor. Soft-spoken, well-mannered and kind-hearted. Mathematics and calculations get him started. Playing football is his choice. You will never find him raise his voice. Working with computers is fun and enjoys the time when there's a group presentation. Ready to work on the given feedback, working in English will keep him going on his track. A small plant that is ready to grow. Hard work and focus should continue to flow. Presenting the caring Yash, who's youthful, affectionate, sober and happy. Please put your hands together for Yash Ardar. And easygoing, he is approachable and forever glowing. An enthusiastic and responsible worker who makes efforts to go further. In discussions, he is a thinker and at times in presentations takes the role of a risk taker. Football and cricket is something that he likes and is gradually gaining confidence to speak on a mic. He enjoys mathematics and calculation. Working hard in English and neatness should be his notion. Presenting the courageous Tanish, who's tactful, affectionate, nice, imaginative, sincere and hardworking. Please put your hands together for Tanish Borele.
Saying goodbye so that I can get a chance to say hello again. From touching moments to awesome memories, and from funny pranks to happy smiles, Live4 brings everything together in a song. It's now time for us to bid farewell to our seniors as we echo the words, "Never find another you" by the Seekers.
Somewhere they call promised land.
head boy and head girl. Let us welcome Kayuri Ade and Shridit Patil with a big hand.
And very good morning to one and all present here. It is indeed great honor to be a PYP head girl of Vishwashanti Gurukul. I, Kayuri Ade, take this opportunity to show my hearty gratitude for successful completion of the academic year 2015-16 because of the combined efforts of all the badge holders, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am the person I am today because of my school. The ups and the downs, the highs and the lows of my 4 years here have taught me who I am. It is rightly said, teachers are those who find strengths, drive away tears, overpower demons and conquer fears. Yes, I want to sincerely thank my teachers who saw the potential in me, molded me in such a beautiful way and finally made me capable to hold the position of a PYP head girl. On behalf of all the 5th graders, I would like to promise and assure you that we'll never forget the attitudes you've imbibed in us and will continue our journey as a true learner throughout our life. Our true foundation of values and learning that has been built in our PYP journey will continue to reflect not only in MYP but anywhere we go in the world. I would also like to apologize if I have hurt anyone through my actions or speech while performing my duty. Thank you one and all for believing in me and bringing the best out of me. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today as I stand here on the day of our graduation from PYP to MYP, I am reminded how my journey began in the PYP. I joined Gurukul when I was in grade 3. Within a short period of time, I realized the importance of the prefect body. And it was my dream ever since to be the PYP head girl. I am really grateful to all the teachers who taught me worthy of this post and enabled me to fulfill my dream. My journey through PYP has been a very memorable one in the hostel and in the school. I have mixed feelings today as I am graduating and will be leaving the PYP. It makes me sad as I will miss all my teachers here, but at the same time I am looking forward to being a part of MYP. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of all the grade 5 students to thank Prasanna ma'am and all the teachers from the PYP for their patience and the love they have showered on us. We will always cherish our memories with you. Thank you.
We are eager to know about the thoughts of our guests about the day today. I ask Mrs. Vaidya to come and say a few words.
It's been a long morning for all of you and for me as well. But it's such a pleasure to be here. First of all, my hearty congratulations to the grade 6 students who have just graduated. It's the most joyous moment for them because we are celebrating their success. And all those who have contributed in this, the parents, the teachers, everybody has worked to see what they are. I mean, while the students were walking up to the stage to collect the certificate, there were so many qualities mentioned in them that it's really commendable and admirable to see such youngsters with such profound qualities and wisdom within them from the base of the school and the parents. I really congratulate the school for honoring me with this. At the same time, I'm really grateful to see such lovely educational system here. I feel like coming back as a child to work here. Looking at the presentations made there, I thought I wish I was also one of those. And the enthusiasm and the responsibilities that they are showering upon the children to be independent. I mean, from everything, from comparing to guiding the junior classes to the stage, taking them back to bringing up the trays with the certificates and packing them back in the bag. It was really wonderful to see that they are making them so independent and responsible of their duties not just by words, but saying that you should be responsible. But they are really giving this opportunity to students to become responsible. It's a very joyous moment, even for the teachers, because did you all see yourselves in the prep singing which was done here? Students, do you remember? You were like this when you came to this class, to this school. And today, we are all proud to see you all grown up so beautifully and with so much of responsibility that you have taken up to make proud to your parents as well as to the school. The school has really been very good at providing an entire environment for the lovely growth of you, the physical, the mental, and the spiritual. We started with the shlokas and we started with the prayer for the peace, world peace. Isn't that something which is so beautiful? Because you cannot see that peace outside. It is all within us. When we all pray together, things happen. And the school has really been very kind to develop the students with this inner values that we possess in the heart, which are not seen. The students today are like seedlings. The grown-up tree has lovely fruits and flowers, but the main cause of it is something which is underlying the ground, which is not seen, which is being cherished and nourished as a gardener and giving such beautiful fruits. The strength is in the unseen, and what we have within us is also unseen. Our potentials, our values reflect in whatever we do. I also like to say that, the students today, whatever success you may have, but if you don't have the real values and ethics, the success is very hollow. The school has given you such beautiful foundation that you will be very, very tall and very healthy trees outside this environment. The students are feeling sad that they're leaving, but they're going to be in the same campus. They can meet their teachers whenever they want. They can go back to the teachers for the guidance. Now, students, for you, the guided, loving attitude the teachers showed from seeing you from doing kindergarten to class 5 with lot of love and guided teaching is going to leave you to the independent thinking and your own personality developing from what you have learned from within. So it's a great responsibility, but be fearless and be confident about yourself. To parents, I would say this is the best place you put your children in. And the values they are inculcating, they want to do something for themselves before they teach their children. I come from Heartfulness Institute, where we invite people to keep within their hearts to live a very balanced and happy life. We are all happy, no doubt, but our happiness is dependent on so many circumstances outside. But are we really happy within? Only when you open your hearts, you're really living truly and happily. So I request most of the parents to visit the website that we have and try and meditate, because meditation is something which is keeping within you. Try to draw all your potentials from within and make you a very balanced and happy human being. Thank you. And everyone, because I feel it's a effort and joyous moment. We all want to be a part of it. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Valuable and inspiring words. Last but not the least, Grade 5 would like to express how they feel today through the Passing Out song. Talk of the World by the Carpenters.
Such a
on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. On the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world. Your love puts me at the top of the world. Your love puts me at the top of the world.
Goodbye, grade 5. I hope your dreams take you to the corners of your smiles, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special places your heart has ever known. On behalf of PYD, Mrs. Davis, wishing you to remain on top of the world today and always. Wish you all good luck and Godspeed. A few important mentions as we reach to the closure of the day. After the program, all the parents are requested to collect the awards from the PYD block. Lunch is waiting at the refectory. Thank you for being a part of our celebrations today. Wishing you all a very happy summer vacation full of new learning and fun. See you soon on the 4th of July 2016. And now I invite Drama Man for the principal's address.
Good morning, my dear parents, Mrs. Vaidya, and my dear students. Through this strong, beautiful song treat, we have communicated to you what is there in our heart. I'm sure each one of you are going to be top of the world. You have your own dreams, but you are a dream of your parents. And I'm sure that you will be achieving your dreams in coming years. I'm there in Middle Years program waiting for you to welcome you. PYD has nurtured you, and we will make sure that that nurturing stays. A strong message to you all that every day before you go to bed, please read this citation. Each word is specially written for you, and that's going to design your destiny. So never go to bed without reading the citation. Is it clear to you all? I'm sure you all will do it. Yes. Thank you, my dear parents, for coming from different parts of the world over here to see the lovely world of PYD. It's really a happy world, I must say that, with the teachers, the students, and the entire faculty members, including my IRBDs, Bhaiyas, everybody, we stay very happy. This is the place where everybody smiles, enjoys each and every milestone. After PYD, the adolescence age group starts, that is grade 6 onwards journey. I wish at that journey time also, the teachers, the parents, and the people around the students remain the same. That will bring a difference, definitely a remarkable difference for the students, because that adolescence age group is little difficult, little challenging for the child, and the child doesn't understand where, what, how to do it. And therefore, the school is trying and making efforts to learn to keep within the heart. So there are a few techniques which we will be teaching the students in upcoming years. We are also on the learning journey for the same. But I'm sure in upcoming years, we will be definitely coming up with the right kind of solutions which will really shape the personalities of the students. And they will be well known in this today's world as a Gurukulians, who will be truly messengers for the peace as well as outstanding personalities. All the best wishes to everyone who is present over here, and I'm sure my children are going to enjoy the vacations very nicely. Stay committed for the community service and do something unique in this vacation. Come back and share with us. Thank you. Good day.